Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Draw.io tutorial for beginners. So how to use Draw.io. So it's just so easy. All you have to do is to create an account and this is what it looks like. Basically, you will see your file where you can open your other files, or if you have saved file, you want to import that here on Draw.io. Everything is up to you. You can see here edit, you can see here view. There are tools above which you can use. But basically, if you want to start from scratch, then what you're going to do here is go to the left side. You can see here different shapes that you can use. There are some shapes for beginners. There are also shapes for advanced. So if you want to start, then all you have to do is double tap that shape, or you can just basically drag it above right here. Let's just say we will be creating, or we will be using this draw.io or diagrams.net for a marketing strategy. So all you have to do is drag it right here to add text. Just tap on text and then paste or type the text right here. So let's just say this will be a market research, something like that. You can change the font style, font size on the right side, and you can also change the font color. Everything is up to you. You can increase the size or decrease the size. You could also change the background color, the format, and so on. So let's just say this is market research. Now, this is how you start a flow chart. So basically, you just add or change everything here. Now, here comes adding arrows and other shapes. Then you can just basically tap at the edge and then point it anywhere. Or you can go to the left side and then look for a specific arrow that you want to use. So let's just say this one, you can rotate this one right here. You can change this if you want. So basically that's how you add arrows. And once you have added arrows right here, then you can go back to the left side and then add shapes. So it's up to you, whatever type or what do you want with your arrow right here. If you want it to be like this one or this straight arrow right here, everything is up to you. Now to add a shape, then all you have to do is go to the left side and then add something right here. So basically we'll be adding the process for market research, and it's the same thing. If you want to add text, then all you have to do is go to the right side and then change the text style, the font color, the font size, and the format. So this is what it looks like. Now you can change the background color if you want. So this is what it looks like here. Now, in case that you forgot the name or the number of your background color, it's okay. All you have to do is tap this pencil icon right here and then point it in this specific color. Then it will copy the color that you want. So this is what it looks like, and so on with the other color right here. So that's how you change the background color, the font size. All you have to do is go to the right side, tap on the text, and you will see the options below. And basically that's it. Now, another thing is that if you wanted to add more, if you want to look for advanced shapes, then you just have to go to the left side, and then here you can just basically look for the specific shape that you want to draw, that specific diagram or flow chart that you wanted to draw here in draw.io. So there are tons of shapes, arrows that you can choose here. For example, this one, and then go back. Look for this right here. You can double tap or you can drag it. And then again, if you want to add text, go to the right side and then add a text. And same thing. That is why it's very easy to use. You can just basically look for that specific font style, font size, background color, or font color that you want. Now that's how easy it is. Then if you want to add more, just go to the left side again and then look for the specific shape. So this is an example on how to draw this or create a flow chart or chart for a market research. Aside from that, you can choose whatever topic or title that you want. It's very easy. Draw.io. You can add shapes, arrows, text, and then you can drag it anywhere. It really means that it's the same thing if you draw. something like this. So you can place it anywhere. You have the full control of whatever you want to add here. This is what it looks like. Now, if you want to share this, you can tap on the share above. If you want to change the style, you can just go to the right side and then there will be other options right here. So to make your chart or to make your diagram looks better, you can tap on the right side, click other styles right here, like this one. So everything is up to you. Now, once done, you just have to simply tap on the share a button above, and then you can share it to someone. If you want someone to edit or to add something here on your diagram and title diagram, you can add someone here. And then after that, you can share this. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can also save this to your device. Just tap on the file, and then you can save this to your Google Drive. You can choose whatever type it is and then save this to your Google Drive, OneDrive, or to your device. So this is Draw.io tutorial for beginners.